past that sign, or maybe before that sign, there's a little barn that we can like pull off into. Okay. Wow. Yeah, this is too good. Yeah, right here, kind of. No, you're good. You're good. See right there. Here, there's a pull off. Whoa! All right.
Yeah, definitely.
Yep. Boom. Oh, dude, zoom out a little bit from that too. Oh yeah, buddy. Here we are, folks. Just make sure that was a. Wow.
Oh, did you get that?
I'm pretty sure I did.
Yes.
Hey guys, we are out here in Molasses Junction. We're just east of Molasses Junction right now. Incredible lightning, super strong thunderstorm. This is pushing into north central portions of St. Johns County with very strong winds. It looked like it was going to produce a tornado there for a second. Wow. But it's bowed itself out, so now we're just facing a really strong wind threat. And obvious, very, very obvious, wow, extreme lightning threat. So here we are. Look at this bow back here. That's where the wind was really kicking earlier. Right here, this is still some strong straight line winds that I'm facing toward. But the strongest of the winds missed us just barely to the north. Regardless, very strong thunderstorm right now. So I'll do my best to keep you guys updated. Whoa, that was too close. Wow, that burned an image in my eyes. All right, I'll go live here for like about another minute, but then I need to shoot some more videos. But appreciate you guys tuning in, and I'll do my best to let y'all know. Take care. Wow.
Thunderstorm dynamics, you know? So strange.
Yeah, they are. Mesoscale meteorology. Whoa. That was brilliant.
That was awesome. It wasn't quite close enough for me to feel the warmth, but...
Yeah. I'm done getting that close.
Yeah.
That was as close as I'm comfortable with, honestly. Bro, what if it just rips this barn apart right here? Okay, I was joking. Calm down.
That was a joke.
Oh, feel the gust? That's our gust front. Oh, look at the winds on the over there.
What did I hit?
That hit the silo, the top of the silo.
Oh my
behind that tractor.
God.
Did you see that?
No.
I
Did
think
you
I
get it
got
on
it.
camera?
I turned, but it was a multiple flash, you know?
Look at these northerlies.
Yeah, they're coming straight.
Hitting the side of my car.
Yeah. Yeah, this is really interesting. I do hear that. That's weird.
Huh.
I mean, the last radar scan I got, I didn't show really much of anything.
Right.
This whole storm is kind of really strange.
Look at, I mean, it's
Whoa.
whipping, bro. What the hell? Look at that.
Whoa, dude, this is like a ghost train.
It's literally like a
I
ghost
see what you're
train.
talking about.
Look
Whoa! What is going on, dude?
What the hell?
It's blowing like over the bridge.
Yeah.